I found my heart, I found my heart again. You were standing there, you bravely led me in. I could wait a million years or more until you came knocking at my door. It's hard to be, it's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any game.
Good morning, guys. We have a very early day today at 7 a.m. JP left for work at 7 o'clock and yes, baby, normally goes with him so JP can drop him at the daycare, and today JP has to go physically to work, so he was wondering why he was not with him and he was crying. So when JP left, we had to just come to the playground so he can play. There's a lane, ain't ya, baby? I think it might rain today, guys. I told him already, guys, that we will go home if it rains, so let's see. What happened? What happened? Oh, oh. Nay, we're going later. Yeah. Yes, come here. There's a cat here, oh. Yeah. What's in your food? You want Mama to help you? Okay. Oh, there's a bike. There's a bike. Stop, ah. What is that? Yeah? It's a poop on the car?
Yes.
Oh no. Stop up. Okay, now. Good job. Yeah, naar de broek, baby. No, he thinks that it's the house of JP's best friend, so no, that's not their house. I don't know how I'm gonna trick him to go home, guys. Because right now he doesn't have any plans on going home. Baby, come! Okay, we're in another playground, guys. Yeah, but your nose. Walk the nose. Yeah. Yahoo! Oopsie. Good baby, the things you do for mama, yeah, the water is off, baby. The water is off, sorry. Ay, now you're not, ha? You're not, ha? For being with us today. We will see you on our next vlog. Bye!